Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so today is a cook with me recipe video. Okay guys, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you can see, I got my saucepan here, 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to be making spaghetti bolognese today. Okay guys, so I got my bolognese sauce right here. If you don't have this, you can just use tomato and big bell pepper. Okay, so this I'm going to be making the African way, which is I'm going to be adding chili. In the normal English way, they don't normally add pepper to it, but some people do. So this is African way, so that can be spicy. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be making spaghetti bolognese. Try this recipe. I'm sure your children, your family, they will love it. It's very quick, easy to make. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be making today, spaghetti bolognese. Okay guys, so I got my water already in the pot there in the saucepan, boiled hot water. I'm going to be adding some salt to it. Got my salt here. I got my salt here, so I'm going to be adding some salt to the water. And then I have some sunflower oil spray here. You don't necessarily need to use a spray. You can just drop some oil or olive oil in there. I didn't want to carry my big oil, so I'm just going to just put some in there. This is to stop the spaghetti from sticking together. The oil helps the spaghetti from sticking together. Okay guys, but remember, you are going to be draining the water once the spaghetti is cooked. And in order to stop the spaghetti from cooking, you can add cold water. So I do that as well to stop the spaghetti from overcooking. Once you've taken it out of the fire, all you need to do is to pour cold water on it, and then perhaps you may need to add a bit of more salt with a little bit of water again, just to dissolve the salt. Okay guys, so while I'm waiting for the water to just simmer a little bit more, I'm going to be adding my, because the pot is ready already, this saucepan here is ready. I'm going to be adding my beef and onion minced meat. Okay, this is from Iceland. So I like to get this because I don't have to cut onions or anything, because there is already onions inside of it already. So I don't have to chop any onion. I just buy this particular one that has the onion ready inside already. So yeah, so that's the one I'm using. Saves me more time. If not, I would have to chop the onions, but I don't need to chop the onion. The onion is already in there. As you can see, it's the white onion that is inside. Of course, you can add more onion if you are someone that likes onions. So at this point, I'm also going to be adding my frozen garlic and ginger. That is just so they can dissolve together. You don't have to use frozen one, but this one is already frozen. Make it easy for you to save it in the freezer. Of course, you can make yours and put it in the freezer, but I bought this one like this from Iceland or from Asda. Tesco also sells it as well. So yeah guys, I'm just going to stir it until everything is dissolved, ready for me to add the bolognese sauce. But meanwhile, I'll leave it like this for now. I'll cover it, and then I'm going to be adding the spaghetti to the water. I don't know, I always like to break my spaghetti. If you don't like to break yours, just put it straight like that. I like to always break it into 2. and just give it a stir. I'm going to be adding just a little bit more spaghetti. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share it, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave it for a while to boil, and then I'll come back and show you guys what's next. Okay guys, so let's check on our spaghetti because it's boiling. We don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan, so I have to shake it to stir it to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Lose it because I haven't stirred it after the first stir that I did when I had the spaghetti. So you just give it a stir again just to stop it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cover it. Okay, so now let's check on our meat and see how it's doing before we add our sauce to it. Okay guys, it looks good. It looks good. I think now we can add the Bolognese sauce to it. As I say, if you don't have the Bolognese sauce, all you need to do is to get some big bell peppers, onion, some tomato. As you can see there, it's practically big bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic. I just like to add extra garlic and ginger. Tomatoes, garlic, ginger, yeah. And what else? Although this one, you know, this is in the bottle, so they preserve it, so they have some preservative in there. But all you need is just tomatoes, big bell pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and you are good to go. Okay guys, okay guys, so I'm going to be adding some black pepper. Okay, just a bit of black pepper, not too much. I'm going to be adding some garam masala. This is like a teaspoon, so you can see, so just 1 teaspoon. I'm going to be adding some paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. I'm going to be adding some curry. I just like the fragrance of the curry. This spoon is very small. It is a little smaller than a teaspoon. I'm going to be adding some chili pepper. Okay guys, that's why I said the African way. So I'm going to be adding some chili pepper. Please skip this part. If you don't like chili, skip it please. So I added 1.5 teaspoons of chili pepper, and this is seasoned oil. I'm going to be adding just 1 teaspoon, and then I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt, not up to 1 teaspoon. Maybe I should add 1 teaspoon, okay, so a bit more, not exactly 1 teaspoon though. Stir it. So I've reduced the heat for my spaghetti so it doesn't overcook, because I need to drain the water off very soon. Sorry guys for the noise. My children, they are home now. The one that went to school is back from school. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding some non-seasoned cube. So I'm going to be adding some non-seasoning cube. I've reduced the heat because I don't want it to be splashing everywhere. I'm just trying to open the non-cube. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. Thank you. And share this video, guys, so that someone will learn how to make this simple, quick, delicious spaghetti meal. Give it a stir. Okay guys, you can give it a taste at this point. When you taste it and you feel the salt is not enough, you can add salt. What I do, if I taste it and I feel the salt is not enough, I just add a bit of aromat. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a taste the African way, as an African woman that I am. Spicy, spicy, spicy. Okay guys, so I'm going to cover it for a few minutes. I'm cooking it on a low heat. I'm shaking on my spaghetti now. I think the spaghetti is okay like this. I'm going to drain it. Remember, spaghetti, even after you've taken it off the cooker, it's still cooking. Even after you've drained the water, it's still cooking. So in order to stop the cooking process, you need to pour cold water on it. That stops the cooking process. And then of course you can add a little bit more salt and shake it, stir it together so the salt can dissolve. So I'm going to be draining the spaghetti because I don't want it to overcook. The minced meat, which is the bolognese sauce, is okay. I don't need to add anything else to it. So let me go and drain this, okay guys, and I'll serve it. It's almost ready. I'm just leaving it to cook a little bit more, and that is it. So I'll drain this now, serve it, and I'll show you guys how it looks like on the plate. Okay guys, everything is ready now. So a tip I will share is, once you drain the water off the spaghetti and you notice it's still sticking together, just add some oil. Just spray some oil on it, and then you stir it. Make sure you still got some little water of the spaghetti at the bottom of the saucepan. Okay, that is just to break the spaghetti up. Can you guys see that it's broken now? It's not stick together anymore. So I'm going to serve it now. I got my plate ready here. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe for more videos, for more interesting content. Okay guys, and turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. So dinner is ready. This is our dinner for today. It's ready. Okay guys, so that's my spaghetti, quick spaghetti bolognese meal. I'm going to be adding the sauce. It's over there. Okay, that's the sauce guys. Yes, everything is cooked now, ready to be eaten. Some people put cheese, they sprinkle parmesan. Is it parmesan cheese? Grated cheese. Some people sprinkle grated cheese, but I don't like that. Okay, so that's my food guys. Food is ready to be eaten. Okay guys, that's my meal. I'm having it with 1 turkey wings. Okay, come and eat with me. Hope you enjoy watching this video guys. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Let's get this channel to 6,000 subscribers. Okay guys, share it, with your friends and family. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.